Here's a preview of the true red colorant I'm mixing up. I'll show you how next.
Hi soapy friends, I'm Steph from Micas and More. I'm making cold processed soap with Volcano Type fragrance oil and a new synthetic colorant called Marian Brilliance Mica. And I'll show you how I mix two stock colors that I carry to make a true red color. Let's make soap.
I pour the lye water into the melted oils and I stick blend until it reaches a light trace. To get a true red colorant that is stable in cold processed soap, I mix ruby red mica and radically reddish neon pigment in a 2:1 ratio with more mica than neon. While I didn't create this blend, I'm happy to share the formula so everyone can get a great true red. Be sure to mix well as the neon takes a little more work than the mica to disperse. Here's the Sunfire Brilliance Mica, the Buttercup Brilliance Mica, Green Brilliance Mica, white Satin Mica, and the new synthetic colorant Marian Brilliance Mica. Now the fragrance oil. It's a tropical fruit scent with sugared citrus and a bottom note of driftwood. It also behaves great in soap. I'm using 1/2 teaspoon of the red blend with 1/2 cup of soap. If you use less, it will look more pastel. The other colors use 1/4 teaspoon in 1/2 cup of soap. The main portions are the white satin and the Marian Brilliance Mica. Let's get this soap in the mold. I'll start with some of the Marian Brilliance Mica and then I'll add white gradually for an in the pot swirl. Next, the accent colors go in as a drop swirl. I'm using a toothpick for a delicate top swirl. Just one pass, no over swirling this time. One last look before I put this one to bed. I'll put the soap in a box and in a thermal bag overnight. And here's the cut soap. For more info on how you can save on soap supplies through group buys, join Steph's Micas and More on Facebook or see the description box below. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.